Hi, I'm Brody. I work at Volkswagen of Olympia here in Olympia, Washington, and today I'm going to be showing you some things on the Volkswagen Jetta, including the different drive modes that you can use to control the car how you want. The Volkswagen Jetta is built in with different drive modes. To access those, you hit the mode button right next to the shifter knob, and it's going to pull a display up here on the infotainment screen. You can switch between Eco, Normal, Sport, or Custom, where you can customize how the pedals and everything else reacts. Eco is going to soften everything up and help you get better gas mileage. Normal is just the way it sounds, it's normal. Sport is going to make everything more stiff, give you a sportier ride. And then Custom, you can adjust everything according to how you want. I like my steering in Sport. I prefer Eco for my drivetrain just to get that extra gas mileage. For my adaptive cruise, I like Comfort. And for my climate control, I like Eco. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like to see more, make sure to like and subscribe.